It's my last day at Cumberland Gap National Park Wilderness. What is this? I'll stop. So bouncy. Now, Cumberland Gap National Park Wilderness Campground. I've been here for about 9 days, and it's been lovely, but it's time for me to move on. I am getting a little restless, but Welcome to Cumberland Gap Wilderness Road Campground. Cumberland Gap is a national park, and this campground, I guess, is in the national park, although it's down the road away from the visitor center and everything, so you actually have to go from Kentucky through Tennessee through to Virginia to get to the park if you're coming from Middlesboro, Kentucky. Beautiful park. I've been here, I think, for 9 days. Oh, I forgot to bring my pass. With my national park pass, I got 50% off, so it was just 10 bucks a night. So my national park pass that I paid $80 for, I think like last November or December, has more than paid for itself just with this trip alone. Usually you don't get discounts in camping in national parks, but for this one, for some reason, you do. So I have electricity. There's water in a dump station up there. I don't have water in my site, so when I want to fill up for water, I have to go up to the dump station. Not a big deal. So 10 bucks for electricity. It's a really nice, quiet campground. It got a little full, a little more crowded on the weekend, but still it wasn't full. It's huge. And I'm still using my cell phone. It's a huge park, and it's beautiful. It's quiet. Everybody here is really nice. I really can't understand why it doesn't fill up. It's the middle of July, and yeah, except for the weekends being a little crowded. Look at it, it's Wednesday, and there's hardly anybody here. It's been absolutely gorgeous. So just going to take you along with me, show you around the area, show you around the park. Tons and tons of hiking trails. I've been on a lot of them with Capone. And just a beautiful park, and nice bathrooms and showers and everything that you could want if you're gonna stay in a campground. Hey, bud. Cumberland Gap. Which was the pass for early settlers exploring the West. And I am here in Cumberland Gap, Tennessee. And I hear thunder. Capone's not gonna like it. Capone. can't hear it. Huh, you don't hear it yet. I'll have to get closer for you to hear it these days. It's been really nice here. Really like this part of the country. It's beautiful. The people have been extremely friendly. Met some really nice people at the campground. All right, last morning walk before I hit the road back to boondocking. And because boondocking is so challenging on the East Coast, I've been really comfortable staying here. I'm heading out to boondock now. I can't remember where I'm going. I'm heading toward Knoxville. I need to go to Whole Foods. I'm out of stuff that I can't get. Oh, let me show you around my campsite. Nice picnic area, nice fire pit, and this has been my stay in Cumberland Gap. It's been gorgeous. So until next time, remember to be happy, be free, and be kind. See you soon. Bye. To Knoxville, Tennessee.